What's going on, guys? This Biohazard Candy Kid coming at you here with another great video. Oh, jeez. I probably don't have, or, never mind. Anyways, so what you see in front of me here is something that I actually made. This, and I forgot the name of it. A light box, but except there's no light in here. So, basically, if you were to go online or to your local camera store or Best Buy or any store, you would see that there are these things that you can buy which are collapsible. You can put them together, or they're not collapsible. And there are these light boxes, and what it basically is so I'm going to give you like a, let me see here. Do I have anything I can put inside there? Well, okay, here. Because I actually did do this. Let's say I want to take a picture of these cards, okay? So what I would do is I would basically put the cards in there, okay? You put that into focus. Jeez. All right. And then I would basically take like a light. Now I use two lights. So I use this light right here. Okay. And then I also use this light. Okay. And what I do is I just put one there. And then let's say I turn on the other one. And then I put one there. Off to the side basically. So it, because basically when you put, like, see, you don't want the glare in there, so kind of put it off to the side, or whatever, and stuff like that. But I basically put a light and then I take photos. I actually did a photo of my old where is it? I did a photo of this old camera and it turned out to be nice. As a matter of fact, I even edited this photo. I edited the photo on my cell phone. So what I did was I took the picture of the camera. So I did this. Okay. I put the camera in there. Of course I straightened this out. I kind of straightened that out, and stuff like that. Then I took the picture. I put the lights on. I took the picture. Then as I was doing it, then I said, you know what? I'm going to edit this on my phone. And I did kind of a soft edit. I could have done it on my computer with GIMP, but I decided to do it on my phone to see, how capable my phone is with the basic editing tools it comes with. Then, well, I probably shouldn't tell you the rest because I'm going to do a video showcasing the photo, and I want you to tell me how good it looks. I don't want to tell you the next steps of what I did to make it look really good, but I just basically did a little soft edit on my phone, the white balance and the colors and all that, and made them stand out a little bit. But the end result was like a pretty good photo. I sent it to a few of my friends, and they were like, "Wow, that's pretty good." But the thing I wanted to tell you about is this box. So I took a cardboard box and I basically made my own. Now it's still taped up. I'm thinking about spray painting it black, but I took white paper and I just stapled it all over. Now, of course, you might get staples in your picture and stuff like that, but you can always crop those in and out, stuff like that. And that's what I did when I was doing my editing. I basically removed the staples so I wouldn't see them in there, or whoever's going to look at that photo doesn't see them in there. But basically, this box is easy to make at home. Now, should you build your own, or should you buy... should you build your own, or should you buy a box, from wherever, you're going to buy it from whoever sells it? Well, I think you should do both. And the reason is because, one, you gain experience on how to make your own. So if you need to make something in a pinch because you don't have one on hand, you know how to make one really well. The other thing is, yes, you should buy one, because the ones you buy are obviously going to be better than the first ones you build. Like this one, it's great. And obviously they're going to have lights built in. You can plug them in. They're collapsible. This thing, it is how it is. So, you know, but I just wanted to show you that basically I built this and I'm going to use it. Am I going to build another one? Maybe, maybe not. But I'm just going to use this as like a thing to take photos of various things, you know, just to show my photo skills, you know, just to see what my skills like at taking photos of things in a white box, okay? But yeah, all I can tell you is make your own. It's not that hard. You see one here. I made it. And then go do your research if you want to go buy one pre-made. And go buy it from wherever you want to buy it from. Price? Am I going to tell you about price? Well, here's what I can tell you about price. This is free just because you already have the materials at home. The other one could be free if someone gives you one. It could cost you if you have to buy it. So, and this could also cost you if you have to buy it if you don't have the materials. So either way, it's free or it costs. End of story. All right, well, that's it. This is this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, share. Peace.